Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Painless Financial Training Group. This week, I'm talking about financing on credit cards. I'm seeing an increase in this, of course, as inflation continues to take a bite out of businesses and people. And typically, when you are borrowing money, the question is it a wise choice to borrow this money? And there's two situations where it is. Number one is if you're borrowing to buy an asset that increases in value. Classic one of that is buying a home. Very few people can afford to pay cash for a house. They would get a mortgage, and the mortgage payment kind of replaces the rent payment. Solid strategies, worked for a long time. Another reason would be to borrow to invest, if you're sure that what you're investing in is going to go up in value, if you're psychic. Or investing in businesses is something that happens a lot, and it is a good use of debt, provided the business is going to be successful. So this brings us back to the other reasons why people borrow. Sometimes people borrow to continue having a lifestyle that their earning power doesn't support, or they're borrowing to finance losses in a business. In those cases, it's usually a bad idea to borrow money. And I took a look at a credit card statement for a client the other day, and they owe $2,300, and the minimum payment is $23. If they make the minimum payment every month, it will take them 18 years and 11 months to pay that off, and they will pay $5,221 for that $2,300 bill that they currently have. This, of course, is not a sustainable way to do things, paying twice as much as you should for the things that you're borrowing for because you're putting them on a credit card. So consider this: credit card financing should only be a temporary measure.